Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Fisher-Price Deluxe Take-Along Swinging Seat. Seen here in Mocha Swirl, but it's also available in pink Ellipse and Windmill color schemes. I like them all, but my wife picked out this color scheme for us and our baby. And this convenient little swing has about 4,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Nice. And we got it with Prime, which meant free delivery for us, which is also nice. It's pretty compact, meant for a baby around 6 months or less, and it's 19 by 25 by 25, so it fits easily through doorways, etc. And if you can hear some chirping in the background, that's actually the swing. It also plays music, but our baby seems to prefer this calming stream soundscape. Oh, frog. So the item arrived in a frustration-free, easy-to-open package that's 100% recyclable. It's a portable baby swing and stationary infant seat all in one. And there's 6 swing speeds, 10 musical tunes with some nature sounds, plus a volume control. It has a calming vibration setting and 2 little birdie toys overhead, which also seem to captivate our baby. It's got an easy-to-fold frame with a handle, so you can just grab it and go. And a soft machine-washable seat pad with newborn insert. So you just clip the seat to the frame when you want it to stay stationary, and you can unclip it and buckle your baby in for when he's swinging, or her. And we love this swing. It calms our baby right down when we're in between tasks or while we're preparing his bottle, and sometimes he just kind of likes to sleep in there while we're hanging around with him. But don't take my word for it, let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser called No Need for Large Swings. With 3 kids, I still try to maintain my house identity and not have it look like a Babies R Us exploded everywhere. I intentionally look for baby items that are travel size or some sort of design that will blend in. And this swing is no exception to my rule. It's small, but more sturdy than others. The top bar is very strong, and I'm able to carry baby in one hand and lift the swing and move it to different areas of the house. Baby seems very pleased with this swing. I've had larger swings in the past, and I'm really confused why I felt the need for such a large swing. This one is perfect and has all the same functions. I agree. So there you go. Remember, you can pick this up on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. Excellent. Order yours today. I think you and your baby are gonna love it.